Hi, good evening. How are you?
Good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Good, sir.
yeah. So today we are going to work on the lesson number 6, second part of the lesson number 6. Just we'll have a quick look at the first part of the lesson number 6. In first part, we talked about the pronouns which are used to describe the living beings. Okay, just repeat after me. I shall be in the office.
I shall be in the office.
We shall be in the office.
We shall be in the office.
You will 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 be in the office.
They will be in the office.
They will be in the office.
Ram and Sham will be in the office.
Ram and Sham will be in the office.
These will be in the office.
These will be in the office.
Those will be in the office.
Those will be in the office.
He will be in the office.
He will be in the office.
She will be in the office.
She will be in the office.
Ram will be in the office.
Ram will be in the office.
So in this way, we talked about positive sentences of to be forms future, negative sentences of to be forms future, yes no type questions of to be forms future, and negative questions of to be forms future. Now in the second part, we are going to talk about how to use simple future, how to use to be forms future with non-living things. That is all right. Just repeat after. Just try to understand the meaning. Try to understand the meaning. So it will be a school, मतलब यह स्कूल होगा. This will be a school, यह नजदीक का स्कूल होगा. That will be a school, मतलब वह दूर का स्कूल होगा. There will be schools, वे schools होंगे. These will be schools, ये schools होंगे. And those will be schools, वे schools होंगे. In this way, it will be a great project, यह बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट होगा. This will be a great project, यह बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट होगा. That will be a great project, वह बड़ा प्रोजेक्ट होगा. They will be great projects, वे बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे. These will be great projects, ये बड़े प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे. Those will be great projects, वे बड़े प्रोजेक्ट होंगे. It will be your home, यह आपका घर होगा. This will be your home, यह आपका घर होगा. That will be your home, वह आपका घर होगा. They will be your homes, वे आपके घर होंगे. These will be your homes, ये आपके घर होंगे. Those will be your homes, वे आपके घर होंगे. All right, just make the sentences. It will be a lab. For first three pronouns we are using singular formation, and for next three pronouns we are using plural formation. Just make the sentences. It will, just repeat after me for some sentences. It will be a library.
It will be a library.
This will be a library.
This will be a library.
That will be a library.
That will be a library.
They will be libraries.
They will be libraries.
These will be libraries.
These will be libraries.
Those will be libraries.
Those will be libraries.
It will be a dictionary.
It will be a dictionary.
This will be a dictionary.
This will be a dictionary.
That will be a dictionary.
That will be a dictionary.
They will be dictionaries.
They will be dictionaries.
These will be dictionaries.
These will be dictionaries.
Those will be dictionaries.
Those will be dictionaries.
Very good. You just repeat the sentences. Start. It will be a bookstore. Make the sentences.
It will be a bookstore. This will be a bookstore. That will be a bookstore. They will be a bookstore. This will be a bookstore.
They will be bookstores.
Okay. They will be bookstores. These will be bookstores. Those will be bookstores.
Very good. It will be a stamp.
Stamp. Okay. It will be a stamp. This will be a stamp. That will be a stamp. These will be stamps. They will be stamps. Those will be stamps.
Okay. It will be a laptop.
It will be a laptop. This will be a laptop. That will be a laptop. They will be laptops. These will be laptops. Those will be laptops.
Very good. Good job. Now, negative sentences. Try to understand the Hindi meaning. It won't be a society. यह society नहीं होगी. This won't be a society. यह society नहीं होगी. That won't be a society. वह society नहीं होगी. They won't be societies. वे societies नहीं होंगे. These won't be societies. ये societies नहीं होंगे. Those won't be societies. वे societies नहीं होंगे. It won't be an elevator. यह elevator नहीं होगा. This won't be an elevator. यह elevator नहीं होगा. That won't be an elevator. वो elevator नहीं होगा. They won't be elevators. वे elevators नहीं होंगे. These won't be elevators. ये elevators नहीं होंगे. those won't be elevators, वो elevators नहीं होंगे. Okay, just make the sentences. It won't be a subject.
It won't be a subject. Subject. This won't be a subject. That won't be a subject. They won't be subject. Those won't be subject. These won't be subject.
Okay, it won't be a new factory.
It won't be a new factory. This won't be a new factory. That won't be a new factory. They won't be a new factories. This won't be a new factories. Those won't be a new factories.
It won't be a college.
It won't be a college. This won't be a college. That won't be a college. They won't be colleges. They won't be colleges. Those won't be colleges.
It won't be a new mall.
It won't be a new mall. This won't be a new mall. That won't be a new mall. They won't be new malls. This won't be new malls. Those won't be new malls.
Very good. Now, yes no type questions. We are going to work on yes no type questions. Will it be a bookstore? मतलब यह bookstore होगा क्या? Will this be a bookstore? यह bookstore होगा क्या? Will that be a bookstore? वह bookstore होगा क्या? Will these be bookstores? ये bookstores होंगे क्या? Will those be bookstores? वे bookstores होंगे क्या? In this way. Will it be a farmhouse? यह farmhouse होगा क्या? Will this be a farmhouse? यह farmhouse होगा क्या? Will that be a farmhouse? वह farmhouse होगा क्या? Will they be farmhouses? वे farmhouses होंगे क्या? Will these be farmhouses? ये farmhouses होंगे क्या? Will those be farmhouses? वे farmhouses होंगे क्या? Okay, just ask me the questions and I will answer you. And when you are answering, just work on your how to answer the questions also. आपको क्या करना है? मुझे प्रश्न पूछना है, मैं आंसर दूंगा, और जब मैं आंसर देता हूं तो मैं कैसे आंसर देता हूं इस पर भी ध्यान देना है आपको. Alright? Okay, ask me the questions. Will it be a factory?
Will it be a factory?
Yes, it will be a factory. No, it won't be a factory.
Will this be a factory?
Yes, this will be a factory. No, this won't be a factory.
Will that be a factory?
Yes, that will be a factory. No, that won't be a factory.
Will they be factories?
Yes, they will be factories. No, they won't be factories.
Will these be factories?
Yes, these will be factories. No, these won't be factories.
Will those be factories?
Yes, those will be factories. No, those won't be factories. Okay. Will it be an office?
Will it be an office?
Yes, it will be an office. No, it won't be an office.
Will this be an office?
Yes, this will be an office. No, this won't be an office.
Will that be an office?
Yes, that will be an office. No, that won't be an office.
Will they be in offices?
Will they be offices? Once again.
Will they be offices?
Yes, they will be offices. No, they won't be offices.
Will these be offices?
Yes, these will be offices. No, these won't be offices.
Will those be offices?
Yes, those will be offices. No, those won't be offices. Okay. Will it be a new program?
Will it be a new program? Will it be a new program?
Yes, it will be a new program. No, it won't be a new program.
Will this be a new program?
Yes, this will be a new program. No, this won't be a new program.
Will there be new program?
Yes, that will be a new program. No, that won't be a new program.
Will there be new programs?
Yes, they will be new programs. No, they will not be new programs.
Will this be new program?
Yes, these will be new programs. No, these won't be new programs.
Will those be new programs?
Yes, those will be new programs. No, those won't be new programs. Okay. Will it be a film? Ask me questions.
Will it be a new?
Will it be a latest film?
Yes, it will be a new latest film. No, it won't be
Latest
sorry.
film.
Latest film. Okay.
Very good. Very good. Once again, will it? I'll ask you a simple question. Will it be a dictionary?
Yes, it will be a dictionary. No, it won't be a not dictionary.
It won't be a dictionary. Won't it means will not be. It won't be a dictionary. Okay.
It won't be a dictionary.
See, you have to take first sentence from first column and second sentence from second column. Yes, it will be a dictionary. No, it won't be a dictionary. पहला आंसर आपको पहले कॉलम से लेना है, दूसरा आंसर आपको दूसरे कॉलम से लेना है. सिर्फ पहले कॉलम को आपको यस लगाना है और दूसरे कॉलम को आपको नो लगाना है. Okay. Answer me. Will it be a dictionary?
Yes, it will be a dictionary. No, it won't be a dictionary.
Very good. Will this be a dictionary?
Yes, this will be dictionary. No, this won't be dictionary.
Will that be a dictionary?
Yes, that will be dictionary. No, that won't be dictionary.
Will they be dictionaries?
Yes, they will be dictionaries. They won't be dictionaries.
Okay, will these be dictionaries?
Yes, these will be dictionaries.
No.
No, those won't be dictionaries.
Will those be dictionaries?
Yes, those will be dictionaries. No, those won't be dictionaries.
Very good. Will it be a new movie?
Yes, it will be a new movie. No, it won't be new movie.
Will this be a new movie?
Yes, this will be new movie. No, this won't be new movie.
Will that be a new movie?
Yes, that will be a new movie. No, that won't be new movie.
Will they be new movies?
Yes, they will be a new movies. No, they won't be new movies.
Will these be new movies?
Yes, these will be new movies. No, these won't be new movies.
Will those be new movies?
Yes, those will be a new movies. No, those won't be new movies.
Will it be a new restaurant?
Yes, it will be a new restaurant. No, it won't be no restaurant.
Will this be a new restaurant?
Yes, this will be new restaurant. No, this is won't be new restaurant.
Will that be a new restaurant?
Yes, that will be new restaurant. No, that won't be new restaurant.
Will they be new restaurants?
Yes, they will be no new restaurants. No, they won't be new restaurants.
Will these be new restaurants?
Yes, this will be new restaurants. No, these won't be new restaurants.
Will those be new restaurants?
Yes, those will be new restaurants. No, those won't be new restaurants.
Very good, very good. Now I'll just tell you Marathi Hindi meaning of the negative yes no type questions.
Okay.
Won't it be a popular sports? यह पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं होगा क्या? Won't this be a popular sport? यह पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट नहीं होगा क्या? Won't that be a popular sport? वह पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट नहीं होगा क्या? Won't they be popular sports? वे पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं होंगे क्या? Won't these be popular sports? ये पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं होंगे क्या? Won't those be popular sports? वे पॉपुलर स्पोर्ट्स नहीं होंगे क्या? In this way, won't it be? Okay, just repeat after me. Won't it be your bungalow?
Won't it be a new bungalow?
Won't this be your bungalow?
Won't this be your bungalow?
Won't that be your bungalow?
Won't that be your bungalow?
Won't they be your bungalows?
Won't they be your bungalows?
Won't these be your bungalows?
Won't these be your bungalows?
Won't those be your bungalows?
Won't those be your bungalows?
Won't it be a new won't it be a new company?
Won't it be a new company?
Won't this be a new company?
Won't this be a new company?
Won't that be a new company?
Won't that be a new company?
Won't they be new companies?
Won't they be new company?
Won't these be new companies?
Won't these be new companies?
Won't those be new companies?
Won't those be new companies?
Got it? Now you ask me the questions, I'm answering. Okay. Won't it be a costly car?
Won't it be a costly car?
Yes, it won't be a costly car. No, it will be a costly car.
Won't this be a costly car?
Yes, this won't be a costly car. No, this will be a costly car.
Won't that be costly car?
Yes, that won't be a costly car. No, that will be a costly car.
Won't they be costly cars?
Yes, they won't be costly cars. No, they will be costly cars.
Won't these be costly cars?
Yes, these won't be costly cars. No, these will be costly cars.
Won't those be costly cars?
Yes, those won't be costly cars. No, those will be costly cars. Very good. Won't it be a new office?
Won't it be a new office?
Yes, it won't be a new office. No, it will be a new office.
Won't this be a new office?
Yes, this won't be a new office. No, this will be a new office.
Won't that be new office?
Yes, that won't be a new office. No, that will be a new office.
Won't there be new offices?
Yes, they won't be new offices. No, they will be new offices.
Won't these be new offices?
Yes, these won't be new offices. No, these will be new offices.
Won't those be new offices?
Yes, those won't be new offices. No, those will be new offices. All right. So in this way, we have talked about lesson number 6, to be forms futures, part 2. Now we are going to work on daily used sentences of lesson number 6. daily used sentences of lesson number 6. First we will work on positive sentences. I will tell you English sentence and you are telling me Hindi meaning of those sentences. Hindi meaning of those sentences. Like I will tell you, I shall be a doctor. I shall be a doctor after 5 years. तो आपको मत बताना है कि मैं 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगी. इन दिस वे, ओके. मैं 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगी, ऐसा बताना है आपको. ऑलराइट, जस्ट टेल मी द हिंदी मीनिंग. आई शैल बी अ डॉक्टर आफ्टर 5 years.
मैं 5 साल के बाद सॉरी
डॉक्टर होगी.
डॉक्टर होंगी.
ओके. वी शैल बी डॉक्टर्स आफ्टर 5 years.
हम 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
यू विल बी अ डॉक्टर आफ्टर 5 years.
आप 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
यू विल बी डॉक्टर्स आफ्टर 5 years.
आप सब 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
बहुत अच्छा. दे विल बी डॉक्टर्स आफ्टर 5 years.
यह 5 साल के बाद वे 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
राम एंड श्याम विल बी डॉक्टर्स आफ्टर 5 years.
राम एंड श्याम 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
These will be doctors after 5 years.
यह 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
Those will be doctors after 5 years.
वह 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
He will be a doctor after 5 years.
वह 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होंगे.
होगा. She will be a doctor after 5 years.
वह 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होगी.
Ram will be a doctor after 5 years.
राम 5 साल के बाद डॉक्टर होगा.
अभी नए नए सेंटेंसेस मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ, आराम से उत्तर देना है, आराम से हिंदी मीनिंग बताना है. I shall be in Italy after 5 years.
मैं 5 साल के बाद इटली में रहूंगी.
We shall be in the college tomorrow.
हम सब 5 साल के बाद कॉलेज में रहेंगे.
We shall be in the college tomorrow.
कॉलेज टुमारो. ओके ओके. हम सब कॉलेज में रहेंगे कल.
ओके. They will be here tomorrow.
They will be.
हाँ, they will be here tomorrow.
वह सब यहाँ पे रहेंगे कल.
कल. She will be in the restaurant after 5 minutes.
वो रेस्टोरेंट में रहेगी अगले 5 मिनट में.
ओके. Ram will be in the office after 2 o'clock.
राम ऑफिस में रहेगा आफ्टर
2 बजे के बाद.
2 बजे के बाद.
ओके. Sham will be in the garden in the evening.
क्या शाम गार्डन में रहेगा?
शाम गार्डन में इवनिंग में रहेगा. ओके. पॉजिटिव सेंटेंस है, क्वेश्चन नहीं है. शाम will be in the garden in the evening.
शाम गार्डन में रहेगा. शाम को
गार्डन में रहेगा. बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. मीनाक्षी विल बी इन द मूवीज. मीनाक्षी विल बी इन द मूवीज आफ्टर 3 years.
मीनाक्षी मूवीज में रहेगी आफ्टर 3 साल के बाद.
3 साल के बाद. ओके. माय हाउस विल बी इन पुणे.
मेरे घर पुणे में है.
पुणे में
होगा.
My house will be in Pune. Okay. My office will be in New York.
मेरा ऑफिस न्यूयॉर्क में होगा.
My test will be in Aurangabad.
Sorry.
My exam will be in Aurangabad.
Okay, मेरा एग्जाम औरंगाबाद में होगा.
My driving test will be in Shivajinagar.
मेरा ड्राइविंग
My driving test will be in Shivajinagar.
My driving test
मेरा ड्राइविंग टेस्ट
शिवाजीनगर में होगा.
ओके. और एक बार उत्तर देना है. माय ड्राइविंग टेस्ट विल बी इन शिवाजीनगर.
मेरा ड्राइविंग टेस्ट शिवाजीनगर में होगा.
ओके. माय रिजल्ट विल बी टुमारो.
मेरा रिजल्ट कल होगा.
दिवाली विल बी आफ्टर 2 months.
दिवाली 2 महीने के बाद होगा.
ओके. योर रिजल्ट विल बी टुमारो. योर रिजल्ट विल बी टुमारो.
ओके. आपका कल रिजल्ट होगा.
ओके. योर मैरिज विल बी आफ्टर 3 years.
आपका मैरिज आफ्टर 3 years के बाद होगा.
ओके. शी विल बी ऑन द जॉब टुमारो.
वो जॉब पे रहेगी क्या? कल
जॉब पर रहेगी. शी विल बी ऑन द जॉब टुमारो. वह कल जॉब पर रहेगी. आई विल बी कॉन्फिडेंट टुमारो.
मैं कल कॉन्फिडेंट रहूंगी.
She will be more successful than me.
वो सक्सेसफुल रहेगी मेरे से ज्यादा.
Okay. You will be happier than your friends.
मतलब मेरा पहले
You will
बताना
be
है.
happier. You will
हाँ.
be happier than your friend.
ओके, आप खुश हैं आपके फ्रेंड से
ज्यादा खुश होंगे.
ज्यादा खुश होंगे.
Okay. Marathi will be more famous than English.
मराठी सब्जेक्ट फेमस है इंग्लिश से ज्यादा.
हाँ, मराठी सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश से ज्यादा फेमस होगा फ्यूचर में. फ्यूचर में. ओके. It will be available for sale tomorrow.
ये अवेलेबल होगा कल.
It will be available for sale tomorrow. यह
For
कल
sale.
बिक्री के लिए उपलब्ध रहेगा.
उपलब्ध रहेगा.
ओके. नाउ नेगेटिव सेंटेंसेस. नहीं में जवाब देना. नहीं होगा. ओके. I will not be a mechanic.
मैं मैकेनिकल नहीं होगा.
मैकेनिक नहीं होगी.
मैकेनिक नहीं होंगी.
ओके. She won't be available here.
वो अवेलेबल रहेगी कल. क्या वो
वह यहाँ कल अवेलेबल नहीं रहेगी. She won't be on the job tomorrow.
वह कल जॉब पे नहीं रहेगी.
They won't be in the class tomorrow.
वे क्लास में नहीं रहेंगे कल.
My film won't be in the theaters.
मेरा मूवी कल नहीं रहेगा.
मेरी फिल्म थिएटर्स में नहीं रहेगी. My film won't be in theaters.
मेरा फिल्म थिएटर में नहीं रहेगा.
नहीं होगा. It won't be available.
It won't be available.
हाँ, वह अवेलेबल नहीं होगा. It won't be available.
अवेलेबल नहीं होगा.
Okay. Now questions. Will you be a bank manager? क्या आप बैंक मैनेजर होंगे? इन दिस वे.
क्या आप बैंक मैनेजर होंगे? नहीं.
Will you be on the job tomorrow?
Will you be
on the job tomorrow?
क्या आप बैंक मैनेजर रहेंगे कल?
Will you be on the job tomorrow?
क्या आप जॉब पे रहेंगे कल?
Will you be in your house tomorrow?
क्या आप कल घर में रहेंगे?
Will you be in the theater tomorrow?
क्या आप कल थिएटर में रहेंगे?
Will Sunita be in the theater tomorrow?
क्या कल सुनीता थिएटर में रहेगी?
Will Sunita be in Pune tomorrow?
क्या सुनीता पुणे में रहेगी?
Will Uttam be in hospital tomorrow?
क्या उत्तम हॉस्पिटल में रहेगा कल?
Will your friends be happy tomorrow?
Sorry?
Will your friends be happy tomorrow?
क्या आपके फ्रेंड्स हैप्पी रहेंगे कल?
Okay. Will she be an IAS officer after 5 years?
क्या वो ऑफिसर रहेगी आफ्टर 5 years के बाद?
Okay. Will he be available for the seminar?
क्या वो अवेलेबल रहेगा सेमिनार पे?
Okay. Will it be tasty?
Will it be
tasty?
क्या वो स्वादिष्ट है?
Okay. स्वादिष्ट होगा. Will it be tasty?
Okay. क्या वो स्वादिष्ट होगा?
Okay. Will your exam be tomorrow?
क्या कल एग्जाम होगा?
Okay. Will your exam be tomorrow?
क्या आपका एग्जाम होगा कल?
तुम्हारा.
आपका.
Will you be in Australia after 10 years?
क्या आप ऑस्ट्रेलिया में रहेंगे आफ्टर 10 years के बाद?
Okay. Will you be successful within next 10 years?
क्या आप सक्सेसफुल रहेंगे आफ्टर 10 years के बाद?
Within next 10 minutes, 10 year में, 10 सालों में.
After 10 years?
Within next 10 years. मतलब क्या आप अगले 10 सालों में सक्सेसफुल रहेंगे? Very good. In this way, we talked about a lot of to be forms, future daily used sentences, negative sentences, and yes no type questions. Tomorrow we are going to work on WH questions. Now we are going to start the next phase of learning English, and that is WH questions in all to be forms. All right. Are you enjoying?
Yes, sir.
Are you cheerful?
Yes, sir.
All right. Bye bye.
Okay, sir. Bye bye. See you again.